Hi everyone, Ronald Rocky, and great to be back with Seb Pajarillo. Ayun, Seb, in your own way, paano mo mapakita yung advocacy mo sa nature?
Okay. So, syempre naman as part of the Gen Z, no?
Gen
Pa
Z.
naman pa kami, no? Bata pa, yeah. The way of being involved in my advocacy is through empowering the youth to actually initiate programs or organizations or even small actions such as recycling, reusing old clothes kasi syempre naman, di ba, mga Gen Z,
Oo,
iba na ang
iba-iba yung
pormahan
mga damit,
ngayon eh.
di ba?
Yes, exactly. So, by doing these small things na makakatulong sa environment natin by siguro thrift shopping kasi syempre
Yeah.
reusing old
Tama.
clothes yun eh. Mapapakita ko sa kanila na even me as an artist from Sparkle, gusto kong makakonect sa kanila na kahit ako ginagawa ko rin itong ganito to actually motivate them to do the same thing as
To
well.
inspire.
Yes.
And last siguro, ano yung takeaway mo sa training kanina?
Ang pinaka-takeaway ko dito is there are a lot of organizations, there are a lot of groups that actually helps our environment be a better place for us to live in. Iba't ibang tao yung nag-talk sa atin dito sa harap.
Diba?
And ang dami kong takeaways but in general, we can be the spark of a clean and better environment just as long as we are very willing to start that career or journey.
Thank you, Seb, and congratulations.
Thank you, Rocky.
Thank you. Kapuso and kasambuhay. Tama, di ba?
Yes, kapuso and kasambuhay
Kasambuhay.
para sa kalikasan.